welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the T-Mobile Hotspot that my son got it for free. They were running the promotion. This allows you to use their T-Mobile internet for up to 30 gigabyte or up to 30 days, whichever comes first. So anyway, this is for resale purpose, so I'm not gonna open this up if it's in a shrink wrap. So let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys to check it out. At first I was gonna get one for myself, but unfortunately they limited each per physical address. So I asked my brother to get one for himself too, so he got it. And I asked my sister too, but unfortunately I'm not sure if she entered in. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's like a foam. So it says, put us to the test. You got the T-Mobile symbol right there. This side is blank. So it comes with the T-Mobile test drive, battery, micro USB charger, SIM card, starter guide, terms and condition. And right here, this side just their serial number and everything. So this is T-Mobile T9 test drive mobile hotspot black bulk kit. So you could use this while you're on the go. So you could use your notebook, laptops, or your smartphone or whatever that's require internet. So I'm not sure if it's you could use it out in the boonies or not. Let's go ahead and open this up since it's not in the shrink wrap. So I got the T-Mobile test drive. Oh, so it is sealed. Yeah, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna open this anyway, so let me see if I could show you the clip of what is the test drive look like. I don't want to open this up. So this is a 30 days trial with the test drive hotspot. Let me see if I could give you guys the picture or not. So it's risk-free and then a 30-day start your free trial period now. Anyway, here's a quick video.
Hey guys, this is Des for T-Mobile, and today I'm here to talk about T-Mobile Test Drive. Test Drive is the all-new way for you to try out T-Mobile's new and improved network using your very own phone before you switch. Risk-free for up to 30 days or 30 gigs of data, whichever comes first. With Test Drive, you just go to our page, enter some basic information, and we'll send out a test drive unit right to you. Check it out. Now let me show you what's inside the box. Inside, you'll find the test drive unit, a quick start guide, and the T-Mobile SIM card, as well as a wall charger and charging cable. Now we've already activated the T-Mobile SIM card, so all you have to do is fully charge up the test drive unit, put the SIM card in it, right underneath the battery, and be sure to make a note of the SSID information and password just inside the battery cover. You'll need that info in just a minute to connect your phone. Okay, snap the battery cover into place and press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on your test drive. Now you can connect your phone to one of the SSIDs listed underneath the battery cover, and there you go. You're rocking our bigger and better T-Mobile network for 30 days or up to 30 gigs of data, all with your own phone, your own apps, and no strings attached. You can peep your favorite social apps, play your favorite games, even watch a video or two. I highly recommend our epic unboxings, and be sure to drop a comment below and tell us which one you like best. Thanks to T-Mobile's Test Drive, you'll be doing all of this from the comfort of your very own phone while trying out T-Mobile's new 600 megahertz network, our newest and most powerful signal yet. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching our test drive unboxing. Now go sign up for yours so you can do this unboxing yourself.
All right, so yeah, that's that. So yeah, if you guys want to get one for yourself, hopefully you can get it in times while the promotional runs out. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.